Hello everyone. We are in touch with you System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the corporation. If you are interested, you can put a stop. You can study all the parameters of the organization being studied more closely. Now let's look at the company's current performance indicators. NATR Sunshine Products, Inc., ticker NATR. The review is based on data as of June 21, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company NATR Sunshine Products belongs to the subcategory Hygiene. 18 companies are participating in the assessment. Look for solutions on orders at the end of the video. The result for the company in question is 7 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 2.5 points. If you look very broadly, within the framework of the US market in general, we can see that the average result for the market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a score of 7 for NATR Sunshine Products Incorporated. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price NATR Sunshine Products, Inc. and subcategory shares, we will see that in 12 months the shares NATR Sunshine Products showed a dynamics of minus 3.8%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory, minus 3.3%. Market capitalization of a corporation NATR Sunshine Products, Inc. amounts to $0.27 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $784 billion. The company's book value is $0.16 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $96 billion. Having compared the stock market and book value shares, we will see the following. Share NATR Sunshine Products, Inc. in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 0.035%. Book value capitalization is 0.167%. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's debts amount to $0.014 billion. Debt to book value is 9% of equity. Assessment of the company's level of financial obligations, very good, 2 points. The company's price-to-earnings ratio is 26.8. Average for the subcategory is 27.1. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Profits for the last 12 months were $10 million. Future earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $16 million. Assessment of projected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 0.6. Average in the subcategory is 3.2. Evaluation of the exchange price to revenue ratio in comparison with the subcategory indicators, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $460 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $620 million. Assessment of the indicators of projected future sales in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 2.2%, with an average for the subcategory of 11.9%. Marginality assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share in the number of employees in the subcategory is 0.18%. This is 414% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is $331,000. while for the subcategory it is $1,722,000. Evaluation of the company's capital volume per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The profit volume per employee of the company is $12,300. The average in the subcategory is $63,600. Evaluation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's sales volume per employee is $558,000. Subcategory, $536,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The number of shares shorted is 0.6%, while the average for the subcategory is 1.1%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 55% for the company Nature's Sunshine Products Incorporated. For the subcategory, this level is 40%. The company's current share price is around $14.68. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $20.01. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions of the stock evaluation information and reference system this season. Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the company's share valuation Nature's Sunshine Products. Information and reference system of assessment Guru.Markets, the following decision is made. Open a buy order at $14.67. The order is open because the company has a fairly high valuation. The organization was assessed using the evaluation criteria, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 18.85. Stop loss is set at 10.49. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is closed automatically based on the results of exchange trading on July 21, 2025, or on the last working day before the specified date. Ticker, EL, is a balancing transaction for sale. The video on the balance transaction will be or has already been published on this channel. When closing any of the orders, the main or balancing one, the opposite order is fixed at the actual price. Thank you all very much for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.